Finagraph, number one on my list of top 5 non-GL, non-general ledger financial apps for 2016. This is kind of like I don't want to say follow-up, maybe call it like a sister post to something I recently posted on the T-Sheets blog about the top 5 technology apps that you can use. And there the focus was on sort of project management type stuff, where apps like T-Sheets itself, which helps you track time. But Finagraph is a financial accounting application. I would definitely put it under that category. That's not a general ledger application. And by general ledger I mean your core accounting apps like QuickBooks and Xero and Zoho Books and Sage. You know, those are what I call your core GL accounting apps. These are accounting apps that do other stuff, and if anything, like Finagraph, take information from those core accounting apps to provide you with something really good and really powerful. And so this is just meant to be an overview, so there'll be more coming out on this, especially if lots of people comment on the post and say, hey, Seth, would love more content on Finagraph. It looks really cool. If you post comments like that, I can almost guarantee you that I'll do more videos, and I'll do them sooner because I know that's what you want. If you tell me what you want, I'll give it to you. I'm good like that. So Finagraph takes data from those financial accounting applications and compiles it in a way that's much more visual, in a way that our clients typically get much more than they'll get a profit and loss statement or a balance sheet, and ultimately in a way, as I mentioned in the write-up, that allows us to provide that strategic guidance that our clients so desperately want, and that I'm so desperately trying to impress upon you, the accountant or bookkeeper, that we need to be heading in the direction of doing this kind of consulting more and more with our clients, because the bookkeeping is getting easier and easier, or maybe it's more accurate to say more and more efficient, right? We're downloading the bank feeds. More and more of us are finally buying into that, and more of us are understanding that there needs to be this movement towards strategic guidance, and that's what Finagraph helps us do very easily. Not only does it give us the what we need in order to do it, but it gives us the explanation. So it'll teach you if you have no clue. If you say to me, Seth, I don't understand what the quick ratio is, how am I supposed to explain it to my client? Not to fear, because I can hover over the quick ratio and look at the pop-up that appears that explains the meaning, why I care about it, possible causes of a low ratio, and potential solutions. So it gives me the information that I need so I can study up on this stuff, so I can explain it to my clients. There's so much more. I could never possibly show this to you in just a couple of minutes, but this is just a quick high level, and what I encourage you to do is go to finagraph.com and take an account, take a free trial, and you'll find that it's really easy to learn how to use and start getting into. And like I said, if you ask me questions, I'll answer them, and I'll produce more and more content on Finagraph. I'll do a whole course on Finagraph for you if you want, and we'll do it right here at SethDavid.com. As always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and scroll down on the post to go to the next one, because next we're going to look at Expensify, which is also a really cool, and that's why it's included on my top 5 non-GL financial apps for 2016. I'll see you in the next app.